So slept on, no Tempur-Pedic, but that's why I gotta dream it, got a vision, now they see it. But they wanna ride, they used to hate, but it ain't gon' slide. I put this rapping on my life, I put this rapping on my dogs, no pedals. Don't care what them hoes say, no Cuervo. You say you really out here, but you ain't even there though. And I ain't talk about Robert when I say I need dinero, Man, I'm talking.
Man, it's hot as a motherfucker.
Yeah, man.
She look like she's supposed to be there.
I might get some black tape and kind of rewrap all this horn and stuff over here.
Yeah, only reason why I leave it out because I wait till you get it situated in the car. You can check in case you have to move stuff. Really, what I would do before you wrap it up, take it when you go get it tuned. Because sometimes, like I said, I don't know if these sensors in the right exact spot or not. So sometimes it's better leave it loose like that in case you have to flip one if it's wrong, and then you know you'll have it. So you took that out of the old motor?
Yeah, just so that plug, this eyesore right there.
I did the same thing on mine.
Yeah, fuck it. Look, this belt right here come right out the damn back of this bitch. It was in the little car with a brand that he bought it.
It worked.
Put it on, tighten her ass right up.
Power steering always end up laying to the side.
Yeah. I might he just saw that shit or something.
Right, just cut it off back there where you can't see. You did that to the motor mount?
Yeah, I put that space in there, bro, so I wouldn't have to tighten it all the way down.
I had the same shit on my
I know, that's what I thought about. I thought about that little shit. But let me tell you, this hole, it ain't that the mount not lining up or whatever, but this mount is eBay, and the hole won't quite right there where it will be, so it took some force to get it, so it might not come back out, but oh well.
Yeah.
And then right here, I had to extend my return line. I put this little piece of extension in here and weighed it on. Because I want some play, because that motor go gang.
Yeah, she gonna have some swing.
Cocking up. And see, I held off on the radar, see, I can pull that header right on and hold it up and shit.
That's the easy part, really. We do them in 2 minutes.
Yeah, but don't tell you, before I did that resistor box, man, it wouldn't do shit.
Well, you tried it with the resistor box still in it.
Yeah.
You keep on it. That'll burn injectors.
Shit.
Hell yeah. No. That'll burn your computer.
Really?
Yeah, because I don't know what it is about it, but it's like it's blocking the fire or something and it's straining the computer.
Yeah.
That'll fry the fuel system part of the computer or something.
Wait, if I leave the resistor box hooked up
with the high impedance injector, it'll fry the computer.
Yeah,
hell yeah. Lessons learned, my nigga. What thickness you get?
Damn, bro, I bought 520. This shit gonna be too.
Your VTEC ain't gonna fucking crack for shit.
Fuck it. Dump it.
Oil is oil, man.
You said the whole thing?
I do.
You would think for it to be a 2.0 liter, you know, it don't take that much.
Man, the 2.0 and the 2.2, the same casting. All thing is your cylinder bore.
The bore's smaller.
This is how the Honda motors work. From this one to an H22, they bored it out to 0.2, right? The H22 to H23, guess what? The bore the same. They extend the damn rod, so it's a longer throw. So that's what make it a 2.3. All right.
Hey man, CV axle back in and shit.
Yeah, axle back.
Transmit when they did had to try to find the wheel was feeling like this, so I knew the clutch was okay.
So she ready to pull one wheels.
Well, see, somebody got to help me bleed this bitch too.
Oh, you ain't bled it?
No.
Damn, you got some fluid now. Want to do it now?
That's the whole container right there.
Want to do it now?
We can't. It's already slack. I tried to do that what they call gravity bleed, but it don't work. That shit still sitting right there.
Yeah, we can bleed her ass. You gonna pump? You want me to pump?
Oh, it don't matter. Give you a damn workout. Damn, I don't feel like putting it as a master.
Oh yeah, she right, man, cause it spit that first time.
You squirting this shit out right in my floor.
Damn, ain't that some shit? Man. All right. Woo, that extension. All right, we good. All right, get out of here now, get on that. So we got the clutch blade. As Jeff did mention, you got to feel the transmission up. You know, I feel mine through here.
Really?
Mm-hmm. That's a breather hole. It runs through the damn gear shifter thing into the transmission.
I know Dre used to do that with his too.
Yeah, that's how I feel it. What I do, I take the bolt out like you would feel it.
Then with the air control.
With that, and I take that bolt out and I just feel it till it's running out of that. Then I know, rather than having to be all under the car and shit like this.
Pump that shit.
Right. So, yeah, he's got everything pretty much done that needs to be done. He got to fill the transmission with oil, which is not bad. And if you notice, the radiator's still not in because he's gonna swap these dusty headers for some good eBay ones when they come in this week, and his ECU should be here this week. So once that's here,
hopefully Friday.
Yeah, hopefully by Friday his ECU will be here. So once that's in, hopefully we'll have a first startup, and you know, fingers crossed it runs smooth, at least smooth enough to be able to, you know, drive around until he can actually get meals to tune it. Shout out to James if you're watching this. Get this up there, get it tuned, get two-step set up so that we can be two-stepping in the wagon. Yeah, I'm excited. Got this shit done quick, man. It's like basic as hell, man. Like we done so many swaps, man. This shit done became like a basic instinct, man. We just pull them out, swap them, put them back. Yeah, I got one of them, and I think it's one in the back of that CG I bought my aunt. You got the locking still in there every fucking time.
I can't stand
How the fuck do you forget it every damn time?
My shoe got coated in gear oil. I can't get
Let me the first down there. I'm gonna walk up here and check this on CG and see if it's I think it's a jack in the back of that. If it is, I might steal that one so she can, cause we got to jack the tire, we gotta take the tire off, you know, and peel the fender way up back.
In Jazz car, I ain't do that, man. I just turned the steering wheel and wheeled it right there like this.
It might do it. You know, Dad got that copper head from up there from my house. Look at my shit. This bitch done grow the fuck up. Dang. Ain't no telling what's hiding in this shit. Stinking inside. Damn, I'm scared as hell. Hell yeah. Got 2 more jack stands back at this. The wind. I was asking Jeff if he gonna ride here, cause I was gonna say I'd drive to buy you some if y'all was gonna, you know, shoot up the street or something. Video. I know, man. For real. Slippage. All right, guys, so back at the house now. As you can see, everything's wet. It started raining earlier, so just gonna wrap this video up right quick. Hope y'all enjoyed. Stay tuned, so much more coming. And as always, like, share, subscribe. Respect all bills. Peace out. By the way, if you wonder why I got the same orange shirt on as the video I just ended, that's because everything takes place in the same day. So don't be tripping. I finished that video today, uploaded it, and then this video I'm doing now will go up tomorrow. So yeah, see y'all in the next one. Peace out.